name is Hans Zimmer. I'm a film composer.
I'm Lorne Balfe, and I'm the composer for Tencent's Endgame.
At the beginning of each project, we always talk about what musical choices would best help us to tell the story. This game's story was unique because players have the opportunity to choose different heroes from any era. Also because Project N is a mobile game that can be up to 10 players at a time, and the battles become quite elaborate.
We have written a lot of music for the game and put in great effort in each piece of music with extensive research in the musical direction. We tried to add many different musical approaches to this game, including the use of synthesizers to try to enhance the overall sense of scale, depth and intensity.
In some scenes, we added choir so we could intensify the battles.
We used the choir to help the player feel that they are in a battlefield, full of warriors, giving the gamer the feeling of strength.
I love percussion and the powerful sound it brings to the score. This time, we invited all our incredible musicians to the well-known Air Studio in London to record all the pieces.
My name is Dawn, and I'm a Foley artist here at Technicolor, and we're about to do a cloth pass for these awesome video game characters. So as they move, I'll move and make the sound of their cloth.
I'm Alicia Stevenson, and I'm going to do some sword shings for this video game on the amazing historical Technicolor Foley stage.
Hi, my name is David Job. I'm a Foley mixer here at Technicolor Sound in Hollywood, California. And I like to say I record the magic.
These visuals that they have created at Tencent have just been phenomenal to work with because there is so much inspiration and so much detail within each of the characters.
Nice, that's the magic.
Great. My name is Jesse Garcia, and I am a sound recordist here at Technicolor Sound Lab.
First blood. Untuk membatalkan skill ultimate.
Ấn đánh để tung đòn đánh thưởng.
เพื่อจารึกชื่อของผู้ชนะ 니놈들의 머리를 꿰뚫어주마.
凡恩豪迈登场，舒舒服服坐好，看世界鸡飞狗跳。我的公义将为正义发声。
真相总会在虚伪中摇晃。
我身为一个声音导演，已经10来年了，我自己会觉得说，没有想到游戏现在的进展会到，甚至有点超过电影的程度。这是我觉得我这一次跟这个案子合作的时候，觉得特别有意义，特别好玩。
红白人
快让사명을
霸弓箭
之手
都要把好枪。
你敢来挑战我吗？
欢迎加入我们，千万别错过哦！
我在传说对决等着你。
Now pick your favorite hero, connect your speakers, and start fighting.
So turn up the music and enjoy this game.